It's really hot in here, first off, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Today we're going to be going over 3 items, and let's get started. The first thing I have here is a hoodie. So this is the glitter hoodie. If you want to be technical, little shit glitter hoodie. There was some cool colors in this. There was a green and a red. So in the package here, as always, it says golf, choking hazard label in the back.
2 hours later.
I decided to go for the sand colorway just because of the fact that it's probably the most wearable for me. If you're unfamiliar with Wang hoodies, I believe there are 3 different kinds that they carry. The first one being the poly cotton blend, which is essentially gilded. So yeah, one of the poly cotton blend hoodies I have here is a Save the Bees hoodie, which is pretty thin compared to the 100% cotton hoodies. My favorite hoodies from Golf are the 100% cotton hoodies, like this one right here, the Black Jesus hoodie. These are just the best quality to me because they're thick. As far as I know, this is the same. The third type of hoodie is the, actually don't know what material it is, but on the website it says custom something something. Those are decent quality as well, I think, or maybe they're bad quality. Moving on to the details, we have a nice size logo right on the chest here. It's about the same size of my hand. On the side, we have a little golf tag. This also came on the Black Jesus hoodie. It didn't come on the Save the Bees hoodie though. So I think it only comes on the 100% cotton hoodies. We also have a green tag here on the inside of the hoodie compared to the ones from last season, which were brown. And I have a little hang tag here. On the back side is the Wang website. As mentioned earlier, this hoodie is 100% cotton, made in Peru. And for comparison, the Black Jesus hoodie is also 100% cotton and also made in Peru. The logo has a little bit of, I guess it's glittery. It's not as glittery as my other glitter tops I have, but it does give off a nice shine. The second item I got from the collection was these cream work pants. One thing about Wang pants is that they always fit differently. In the past, I've had to get a 30, 32, all kinds of sizes. But I did read the description on these pants. They're supposed to have a baggy fit, so I went ahead and went true to size because I don't need them any baggier than they are. They're pretty sturdy. They're 100% cotton. As far as the details go, there's just 2 pockets in front, 2 pockets in back, green tag on the inside, and a very subtle detail, but my favorite part of the pants, this pink patch on the back. Oh! So the G that's on the back of these pants is the same as the G on this logo hoodie right here. I did not notice beforehand. So here I have a pair of Dickies carpenter pants. These feel almost identical to these, so since you can't try stuff on in the store, I'd recommend trying on a pair of these Dickies carpenter pants to kind of get a feel for how the pants fit. Another thing that helps if you're shopping in the store, a lot of the times the employees have on the stuff that's out from the new drop. There was a dude that had these on in the brown color, and that kind of helped me to make my decision to purchase them. Since there's no exchanges, no returns, it is a little risky to buy stuff sometimes. This third item I got is something special, something nice. So this is the Dirt Letterman jacket. Man, this jacket definitely isn't cheap, but I think is worth the money for sure. Look at it. Like, really take a gander at this. We got a nice little yellow stripe on the cuff right here that kind of set it off. We got a nice leather sleeve. You can smell it. It smells good. It smells like a couch. We have this nice wool texture with a collar that matches the sleeves, okay? Matching sleeves and collars. We have this nice cursive G. It's not embroidered, but it's a patch. It kind of feels like some carpet. Moving on to the bottom here, we have that white with the yellow stripe again, just like on the sleeve and on the neck lining. The left sleeve is plain. However, on the right sleeve, we do have another patch here. This time it's a 7 instead of a G. Last season, they did release the Rolling 'em 7s shirt, so I'm not sure if the 7 is in relation to that shirt, but my guess is that they're related. They're in cahoots. Moving on to the back, we have this gorgeous big golf patch. This is my favorite part of the jacket, honestly. I mean, it's there. I went ahead and picked up a size large. I had asked for a size medium, but then I got a large in accident. I didn't check the bag till I got home. Keep in mind the sales are final, so please check your sizes before you leave the store. There's also 2 pockets, one right here, one right here. I'd say you could fit a whole Bath & Body Works candle inside one of these pockets. You've seen the outside, it looks nice. And then to your surprise, blue lining, quilted interior. And inside, there's an additional pocket on the left chest here. It's a little bit smaller than the outside pocket.
The next day.
Today is a new day. I pretty much covered everything that I needed to cover, but there's still one thing left to do. Well, that concludes this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, then you can feel free to leave a like. If you have any comments, questions, you can leave those down below, and they will be answered at some point eventually. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and if you enjoyed this content to the maximum degree, you can feel free to subscribe. So I guess until the next time.
Damn, I don't know what's wrong with me. I've been tripping too hard.